Good morning. This is Wednesday, May the 26th. Okay, and as you can see, it's overcast, but it's sort of good in a way because that was not so cold this morning. It was really like 70 degrees when I woke up, and man, I didn't have to turn on the car to warm me up while I'm changing clothes. That was very good. Now I'm gonna go have some breakfast at Montrose, and then from there I'll go to the Black Canyon National Park, and then after that I'll come back to Montrose, do whatever I need to do there, and then maybe get some ice, then come back here for the night so that I can go to Telluride. I guess it's not as big as the Grand Canyon, but it's pretty big. See you in a little bit. As my daughter would say, little bit. See you in a little bit. With this, I'm charging this little generator. With this, which is my converter plugged in the back one, my back cigarette lighter, I have my GoPro, my phone, my shaver, my computer, and my batteries. Woohoo! Doing good. Oh, can't have her fall down over here. She's got to watch me drive. Keep an eye on me over here. You gotta keep an eye on me. She's watching me. I'm praying for me. Alright guys, I'm on my way. I just wanted to show you the connections because it's a pretty good little setup here. Got everything I need to charge while I'm driving. Coming out of my camp again, the same scenery, but this time the sun is barely kissing the mountains. I saw a big sign that says wildlife crossing, you know, caution. You know, big sign. Wouldn't wildlife be crossing just about anywhere? We're in their territory? I guess most of them cross in that area more than anywhere else. But you can pretty much expect anywhere for animals to cross the road. That must be one of their passages that they take more regularly. Over there is the Indian Museum. I may want to see that. Be a lady in the shade somewhere. I may see that later today if his time allows. All right, I had a Burger King #1 croissant with sausage and cheese and egg, but I went back to order. That wasn't enough, so I went to order a second one, which I ordered a different one. I ordered the French toast sandwich with sausage. And when they gave it to me, I went back to my table and they gave me a croissant again. So I said, well, I wanted to try the new one, so I went back and told them they gave me the wrong one. They gave me this instead of the French toast. And the guy says, well, keep that one, and they gave me another one. So I ate 3 sandwiches this morning. Woohoo! But I gave lady a quarter of one so she can have a little treat. All right, so I'm on my way to Black Canyon National Park.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto US 50 East Main Street.
Okay, I'm going US 50 East Main Street. That's where I turn left.
East Main Street.
East 50 takes me to Black Canyon National Park. Here's the entrance to the Black Canyon National Park. Oh, it's east. Yeah.
Continue on Colorado 347 north for 4 miles.
my senior pass, so I should be fine. Well, I did a little bit of a small walk to an overlook with Lady and the tripod on the camera. Never again. Even though she's obedient, when she starts to want to smell everything around her, she suddenly pulls, and it's just it's a hassle. It really is a lot of work to try to maintain her when I'm trying to hold the camera and the tripod. And so I decided I want to drive through all the overlooks and just park on the overlook and take the shots. No more trails for me, not today, because if I leave her in the car, it will be an hour, 2 hours before I'm back to the car if I take a trail. So I think this is best, and the ranger said I get all the looks I want to see at this park, the best ones, and all the overlooks stations. So that's what I'm going to do. Giddy up. Following the smooth road to take me to all the overlooks, so you can see it's nice. No rocky gravel, no rocks to worry about, just driving through smooth road. Black Canyon National Park.
It's not a long self-escape, it's only a few meters.
Huh? You should look through the binoculars.
Yeah, somebody said कि पता नहीं कितने सारे
You can hear the water rushing from way down there. Beautiful spot. Who would have thought rocks would look so beautiful? Look at this rock right here. It's about to fall off the edge. It's not even scared. This is beautiful. This is the widest point of the canyon. This definitely is an experience to see this canyon, this beautiful canyon. I would say that that's called a painted wall. I'm going to go back to Montrose and go to the park and maybe the dog park again. I don't know, but I'm going to have lunch over there. You know, my own lunch. Feed lady lunch. And then I'm going to go to the Indian Museum. I'm going to call my wife, tell her what I experienced, text her some of the pictures that I took. It's a lot of rock formation. I have enough pictures of that. I think I'd rather save for the best, which was the last stop that I did. That was the best one because of the great opening of the canyon with the river under it and the waterfalls. So that's really was my goal, to get that one, which I did. Well, I'm glad I didn't do any of those trails, because it would have taken me an hour, 2 hours just to go through a trail. Fighting the dog with me would have been a hassle, and I only would have seen one area. This way, I saw the whole park pretty much, and on all the main spots that really show you the park. So there you go. That's the best way to do it, I think. Giddy up. Well, I'm on my way out of the park. I think that was my last shot. All right, back to Montrose. I know for a fact that Gunnison, that way, is road construction that is blocked. So I could not go to the Gunnison anyways. So I'm going back to Montrose. The Gunnison has a reservoir, it's got a camping area that I would want to go if I was going that way, which was my original plan. We're going back to my last plan. See you in Montrose. Western Museum. Let's check out this Western Museum. See what that's about. Right here, Western Museum. Museum of the Mountain West.
is a disc, a great big disc. You just pull this off and pull it down and get another one and stick up there and play another song.
So it works like a music box,
Yes,
but you
it's
can
a
change the
demo
tune.
music.
That was very interesting, but the tour was going to take 2 hours. I wasn't going to wait 2 hours, leave lady stay hungry for that long. So I went through my own tour, took pictures, and I learned a lot, and at the same time I enjoyed it a lot. I'm going to eat lunch with lady. Anyways, I'm going to Walmart. Now we just ate. I took the lady to the dog park again. We're here at Montrose. I'm going to Walmart, buy a few vegetables and fruits to last me 2 weeks. I should be back in San Antonio in 2 weeks. Maybe. If I don't change my mind again. Back to Texas, to San Antonio after Telluride. Sure, I'll do some stops, some other places that I will sleep at, and I'll visit Mesa Verde, which I missed the last time. I don't know why I didn't go there. I was there 4 days. Anyways, I'm going to my camp, and I hope I can pack everything before it gets dark. It's like home sweet home. I'm back on the camp area. I'm going to take the left turn right here and go into my camp right in front of those mountains. Yep, right here. 10B. Ouray County 10B, right here. Leave the city down there. I mean, look, the sun came through. That means I'm going to have more daylight to pack. Awesome. This is what I'm talking about. The nails, the fingers cracking. Right there. I have it on my other thumb too. Got to continue putting cream on my hands every day, all day long. It's still cracked. Hair seems to be pretty dry up here. I don't know, but working with my hands without gloves or anything to protect them, they get dry and crack, and just bad for the hands. Well, it looks like this is going to be my last night here, so this is close to a sunset. I wanted to get this now as my closing shot because I got to pack everything. And there's a pretty mountain again, All right. Well, I'm going to pack everything that I can tonight before that sun goes down. All right, guys, I finished taking the whole tent down, and all I got left is what I'm gonna put tomorrow on that hitch, and what's on top of the, and put the tent in the back of on top of the van. I am worn out, but I did it before complete darkness. It's now 20 till 9, and it's getting close. With this I say,